In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fender liner on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a right angle pick, remove all the plastic caps. Get behind them, pull straight out. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 5 lug studs. When we remove this last lug stud, the wheel's going to want to fall off. Be sure you have a hand on the tire. Remove the wheel. Looking up at the bottom of the car, under the wheel well, we're going to go right in front of our control arm. We're going to remove all of the T25 screws for our fender liner. We'll have one. There should be one right here. We have one in this front corner right here. And then one on the corner of the bumper. Remove all 6 screws. We have 2 bolts in front of our strut that we need to remove using a T25 bit. Remove the 2 screws. We have one more behind the strut. We're now looking at the quarter panel in front of the driver's door. You should remove these 2 screws. Ours are totally rotted out, so we're not going to. Looking up just a bit in the wheel well, we have one more screw to remove. Continue going around the wheel well, removing all of the screws. Remove all the screws for the fender liner. Remove the fender liner. Install the fender liner into the vehicle. Tuck the fender liner into the fender at the top. I'm going to get the top middle bolt in the fender installed just to hold the fender liner for me while I go around and get the rest positioned. Tuck the fender liner in. Install the bolt, snug it down. If you have the 2 screws on bottom, go ahead and install those now. Install the screw behind the strut. Now moving in front of the strut, we're going to install the 2 screws. Moving to the front, install the 2 screws. Install the screws for the fender liner. Go down the line installing them all. Install all of the bolts. Install the screw in the front corner of the bumper. Don't forget the one all the way in the front. Install the wheel. Get a lug stud started. Snug it down to hold the wheel. Get the rest of the lug studs started. Snug them down. Using a 17mm socket, torque the lug studs to 103 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the plastic caps, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.